Grandpa, wake up! The sky's too pretty.
Ooh, 5 more minutes.
Wake up! Wake up! The sky's too pretty. Wake up! Wake up!
Sky can wait. Paws can't.
Paws can if I count to 3. See? Magic! Come on, Coco first. Come on. 3 sugars for the drawings.
Perfect. Just how I like it.
Look, a fat acorn.
Needs a home.
Seed in my hand, dirt in my paw.
Push it down.
Sun and rain you waiting.
Soon it's strong. Soon it's strong. I call it great.
Great like you. A is for acorn. B is for
Bear.
ha.
There, my little Maya.
Grandpa Puff, I love you.
I love you too, little one.
Tomorrow we'll climb the tallest pine.
If you promise not to chase any more bees.
Cross my heart. Race you inside.
All right, little one, I'm coming.
Hurry up, Grandpa Puff. That was the best day